30 years ago, conventional polyalpha olefin synthetic base stocks, CPAO, raised the bar in lubricant performance. Our humanized monoclonal antibody, Vyepti, eptinezumab JJMR, targets CGRP. When operating at low load, the motor delivers torque in high-efficiency pulses. Introducing the Garmin GTX 345 series transponders, offering affordable, all-in-one ADS-B solutions. Our solution? A unique silicone macromer that provides long chains of silicone that contribute to the high oxygen permeability of the lens. Let Asahi Kasei Bioprocess modernize your next recombinant protein or oligonucleotide manufacturing plant with the ergonomic DACLC columns and flexible LC systems that are built for you. We've built our reputation by producing the highest quality ground calcium carbonate. Center the AddEase container spike inside the MedAdd port target ring and orient so that the flanges will slide over the side of the IV container. Easy Tier, RAID technology from DS8000, and the easy-to-use GUI from XIV. Dynamic Skipfire brings substantial simultaneous reductions in both nitrogen oxides and carbon dioxide emissions, improving fuel economy. RBL 9200 series LSRs are what you want.